Hello everyone, I'm wondering which oil will be best for my Super Meteor 650. As you could see in my movies, at the moment in my engine there is a 10W50 valve line. However, in the German description it says that it is based on HC hydrocracking base, so it means it's semi-synthetic, it's not fully synthetic oil. It doesn't mean it is bad, it is just the fact, it is semi-synthetic oil. And the base oil, when the base oil is synthetic, it provides better properties with time. It doesn't degrade that fast. So my second option, of course, is 10W50 Silcolene Pro. That is excellent oil. No question about it, I'm sure of it, in different viscosity index, because in 10W40 and 5W40 I used in Kawasaki and in Honda Rebel CMX 500. So I can confirm it's really good oil. It's good value for money considering what quality and what properties it provides. However, I'm really sentimental about Shell. In all my cars in the past, I use Shell because it has a gas to liquid technology. The base oil is fully synthetic. Even in German it says here that it's synthetischen Grundölen. It's synthetic base oil. So even the synthetic base oil itself can provide better properties than semi-synthetic. So how do you think which oil will be best for my Super Meteor 650? The fact is that this one, the Shell, is 24% cheaper than Fuchs Silcolene, is 1/4. That's much. And how looks the table with data, with properties? There is only flashpoint placed higher for Shell, 235 centigrades instead of 212 for Silcolene, and viscosity index it has lower, 160 to 171 for Fuchs Silcolene. It will provide better cold start for sure, but I can say that my Super Meteor is always in the garage, so even in the winter time the temperature doesn't drop below +15. So for this oil the pour point is -30 in comparison to -33 for Fuchs Silcolene. It's not that significant difference, especially that, like I say, even when it's +10 outside, so when I just start the engine it is +15, +16, so it's absolutely fine for the winter viscosity index 15. I think that I can use it successfully in my Super Meteor without any problems at all. So that will be really suitable, considering the quarter cheaper, 25% cheaper than Silcolene. I think that next I will put into the engine Fuchs Silcolene, and after that Shell. I will see if there is any difference in gears shifting, if it's swift, or does it make any negative influence, because if only there is anything in my feelings, feeling upshifting and downshifting, if anything will be worse on Shell, so I can close the topic totally and use Fuchs Silcolene without any hesitation and any doubts for the future. I can tell you one more interesting thing about engine filters, because there is a replacement, there is a cross-reference for the original filters, the genuine ones. First is Male, this brand by Knecht, Chinese product OC458, which I currently have in a Super Meteor. It's absolutely fine, but I've decided to check also Polish Filtron, because it's OEM for many cars, so it's a really decent brand, and I want to use it to check what is the quality. For instance, for Hiflo Filtro, I use it. It doesn't exist for Super Meteor or for Royal Enfield, but I can say that the insert was really thin, really thin. So there was no comparison to genuine filter. In this one, it's really decent. So for your reference, for Interceptor, Continental GT, Super Meteor, and now for shotgun, you can easily use Male OC458, or this one, Polish Filtron, which is the cross-reference is more or less the same. And how do you think, which oil will be better? Shell Advanced or Fuchs Silkolene? Just let me know in the comments. See you on the road. Bye bye.